Are we rolling? Hey everybody, this is Brantley from Smart Furniture, and I am here today to do another unboxing video. This video is from the company Steelcase, and this is a brand new chair. This is the Karman chair, and it was just released last week. And our partners at Steelcase, they sent us one to do an unboxing video with, and then we're actually going to try it out in one of our offices for a couple of weeks, and then we're going to do a Karman chair review. Okay, so before we get started with the unboxing, let me give you guys a little bit of information about the company Steelcase. Steelcase is one of the larger ergonomic office furniture companies in the United States, right up there with Herman Miller and Hayworth. And interestingly, all three of those companies, ergonomic office furniture, and they're all based in Michigan. Steelcase is in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Hayworth is over in Holland, and then Herman Miller, of course, is in Zeeland, Michigan. You may also know the Steelcase products, the Amia chair, the Leap chair, and the Gesture chair. Those are three of their other best-selling chairs. And we're hoping the Karman jumps right into that mix. So here we go with the unboxing. Alright, as you can see, this is a freight package. This package could not be sent by FedEx. Some of our companies send ergonomic chairs in a knockdown fashion, where the base is off the chair, which puts the box height about here. Since this one's a lot larger, we can tell that probably this is a fully assembled chair. But we're about to find out. Good job at Steelcase putting this thing together. I wouldn't worry too much about damage. Let's see. All right. So, let me give you a look in. That's what we've got so far. Now, one of the great things about this chair, especially since I'm about to lift it out of this box, is that it was designed to be incredibly lightweight, low impact chair. So it uses some very lightweight mesh and some high quality plastics. There we go. Alright. So there it is. Let's see. So here's the chair. So it is fully assembled, which is nice because we can take it straight to work. And one more. Alright. Cool. So here's our chair, as we said, mesh chair, which is a little bit of a departure for Steelcase. They're known for some of their really good, high-quality, commercial-grade fabrics and upholsteries, and even leather. So the fact that they're doing a mesh chair is really nice. It makes it lightweight, very breathable. Okay, now that we have the arms uncovered, we get a good look at the chair. Let me spin it around for you. Has a lumbar adjustment. These are 4-dimensional arms, which means they go up, down, and then side to side. Pretty cool. Okay, so here we are. We've got the Karman chair fully unboxed. Now we're going to take a quick look at it. We're going to take a deeper dive into this chair in a couple weeks, but we need to take it for a test drive first. But just to take a quick overview, we went with black on black on black. That you can choose 3 different colors here. You can choose the color for the arm pads. This right, the shell can be a different color. They have some really cool like metallic colors. There's a gold and also a platinum. And same with this, the base can be the same trim. So you can kind of mix and match in a bunch of different ways with this particular chair. They've also got a bunch of really cool tri-colored meshes that you need to check out. So basically you can style this to match any office space. The arms are 4-dimensional arms, or 4D arms. So they come up and down, and then of course they swivel back and forth and then side to side. And comes with an additional lumbar support. This lumbar support is like $57 extra, but it will make it's fully adjustable, and it'll give you additional back support if you need that. And then we have 2 other adjustments. One thing about this chair is it's designed to use gravity to sort of set where you are as you move, but it does have some locking adjustments. I think there's 3 settings. It's just a fully locked setting. There is a partial, and then it just has that tilt limiter right there, which is nice. Gives you a little bit of movement, and then it's got 4. And then it's got, I guess, a 3/4 tilt, and then finally the full tilt. But again, even on full tilt, as you are working, you can feel the chair self-adjust as you're moving. And then of course we have the cylinder height adjuster right here, which is pretty much standard on all ergonomic chairs. So that puts you in good position. The seat depth does not adjust, but again, you can see that as you weight this chair, the seat back will go back. I can't weight it with my hand, but yeah, see how the seat depth actually pulls back when I lean back, which will adjust for my legs. So this is the Karman chair. Remember, lots of really beautiful, unique colors, mesh, very breathable back, super durable, lightweight. It's a beautiful chair. Hopefully it'll go right into the Steelcase collection with the Leap chair, the Gesture chair, and the Amia chair, and now the Karman chair. So we're gonna send this off with our friend Robert, who you may have met from other videos. He's gonna work in this chair for a week or so. He's gonna come back and give you a full review on it, ergonomics, comfort, durability, everything that he finds out about it, and we'll publish that next. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is the Karman chair by Steelcase, just released last week. It's available now it'll be available on the 15th at Smart Furniture, and that's May 15th, 2023. SmartFurniture.com, check it out there. One other really interesting and amazing features about this chair is the price. Now this chair is going to run you just over $1,000, which is super competitive for this quality of a chair, an ergonomic chair, especially when compared to its competition. So you can get into this chair fully loaded for significantly lower than some of the other ergonomic task chairs that are on the market right now.